Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive. I came back Sydney. I've got this Porsche 997 we're working on. The actual window switch for this driver's side wasn't working, so we had to actually test it. Test the motor. The motor was working using the PC, my scan tool. This was going up and down. So this part here is good. The only thing I had to actually found was faulty to replace was the actual switch. It's this part here, driver's window switch. There's the part number is here. There's the part number for the driver's window switch. I'll show you one thing about the driver's window switch. The driver's window switch shares the actual handle switch as well. This is the handle switch. So when you pull the handle, this one here, that is switch there. It's part of the handle switch. So it tells the car when you open the handle, so the actual the car knows you open the door. Alright, and this is the switch for the driver's side and the passenger side. Alright, you've got to put everything back together, and now put it back on. There's only 5 screws holding it, not 4 on this one here, T30, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.